What turns a city into a treasure trove of experiences? Is it the hidden gems you stumble upon, the places you explore, or the moments that take your breath away? Today, we're venturing into the heart of Pasadena, Texas, to unveil the best things to do and discover why this city is a hidden gem in the Lone Star State. 1. Armand Bayou Nature Center, a natural escape. Our journey kicks off at the Armand Bayou Nature Center. Have you ever strolled through a pristine wilderness teeming with wildlife? This nature center is a haven for nature lovers. With winding trails and waterways, it offers a chance to observe countless bird species, graceful deer, and even elusive alligators. It's a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of the city. 2. Pasadena Strawberry Festival, sweet traditions. Now let's dive into the Pasadena Strawberry Festival. Have you ever experienced the joy of a vibrant, community-driven festival? This annual event celebrates the city's strawberry farming heritage with parades, live music, carnival rides, and of course, delicious strawberry treats. It's a wholesome, family-friendly experience that brings the community together. 3. Battleship Texas State Historic Site, living history. Our next stop is the Battleship Texas State Historic Site. Have you ever stepped onto a living piece of history? The USS Texas, a battleship that saw action in both World War I and World War II, is now a museum ship open for exploration. Walk the decks and imagine life at sea during wartime. And don't forget to explore the battleship's impressive armament. 4. San Jacinto Battleground State Historic Site, a monument to freedom. Now we head to the San Jacinto Battleground State Historic Site. Have you ever stood on the hallowed ground where a nation's fate was decided? This site commemorates the Battle of San Jacinto, the decisive battle in Texas' struggle for independence from Mexico. The towering San Jacinto Monument, reminiscent of the Washington Monument, is a tribute to the soldiers who fought for Texas's freedom. 5. Pasadena Little Theatre, a stage for talent. For a dose of culture, we visit the Pasadena Little Theatre. Have you ever been captivated by the magic of live theater? This community-driven theater is a hub for local talent and creativity. From classic plays to contemporary performances, it's a place to witness the power of storytelling and the arts. 6. Deepwater Jetty's Park, fishing and more. Now let's explore Deepwater Jetty's Park. Have you ever cast a line into the Gulf of Mexico in pursuit of a great catch? This park is a fisherman's paradise with its jetties extending into the bay, offering excellent fishing opportunities. But it's not just about fishing. You can also enjoy picnics, birdwatching, and stunning views of the bay. 7. Strawberry Park, fun for all ages. For family fun, we visit Strawberry Park. Have you ever spent a delightful day at a park filled with playgrounds, sports fields, and picnicking areas? Strawberry Park is a place where the community comes together for play dates, sports events, and relaxing afternoons. Whether you're a kid or a kid at heart, this park has something for everyone. 8. Clear Creek Paddling Trail, a kayaker's dream. Our next adventure takes us to the Clear Creek Paddling Trail. Have you ever explored a winding waterway by kayak or canoe? Clear Creek offers an exhilarating experience for paddling enthusiasts. Drift along this scenic water trail surrounded by nature and serenity and discover the beauty of Texas's waterways. 9. Pasadena Historical Museum, a glimpse into the past. History buffs, our next destination is the Pasadena Historical Museum. Have you ever stepped into a museum that's a living testament to a city's history? This museum preserves and shares the rich heritage of Pasadena through exhibits, artifacts, and interactive displays. It's a journey back in time, allowing you to connect with the city's past. 10. Bay Area Raceway, high-speed thrills. Our final stop is the Bay Area Raceway. Have you ever felt the adrenaline rush of go-kart racing? This thrilling destination offers high-speed fun for racers of all ages. Challenge your friends and family on the track and experience the excitement of competitive racing. Pasadena, Texas might be a hidden gem, but its treasures are abundant. From serene nature escapes to vibrant community festivals and captivating historical sites, it has something for every adventurer and culture seeker. So next time you're in the Houston area, don't forget to explore the charming city of Pasadena. Thank you for joining us on this virtual journey through Pasadena, Texas. If you enjoyed this tour and found it insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And remember, the best experiences are often hidden in the places you least expect. Pasadena, with its unique blend of nature, history, and community, is a testament to that.